Hello everyone, welcome to the Global English Quest. This is Susmita. Today we are going to talk about ChatGPT. Yes, you all are aware about how ChatGPT is helping people to improve their communication skills. But recently I have come across the updated version of ChatGPT where ChatGPT actually feels people. It seems like a ChatGPT is taking breath, taking pause in between, and laughs, giggles, smiles in between if we make any mistakes, or if we say something funny to ChatGPT, then it reacts like a human being. That is why we feel quite connected, and we feel that we are talking with the real people. So this is a great version of ChatGPT we recently came across. Maybe you are aware about or not. If you are not, then go and check. Then you can see the difference between previous ChatGPT and now. So I am really enjoying. I'm talking every single day. I'm making my doubts clear, and I feel very nice talking with ChatGPT. Earlier, what used to happen, we would record ourselves and we had to wait for a few seconds. Then only we would get the answer, and it was also kind of robotic version, right? But now immediately, if we make any mistake, then ChatGPT interrupts meanwhile and tries to correct us. So this is really amazing for every learner who wants to learn and who is very comfortable talking with ChatGPT and who do not feel comfortable with real person. And apart from, I really liked the update version of ChatGPT because, as I already mentioned, ChatGPT speaks like a human and it interrupts meanwhile while we make mistakes. These all the activity and emotions have included now in ChatGPT. Whenever we talk with ChatGPT, we can sense, we can feel that we are talking with real people. This is really wonderful. Who are not comfortable to talk with real people, right? Who has this jittery feeling or they feel uncomfortable to talk with people, they can easily talk with ChatGPT and level up themselves. This is wonderful actually platform to improve communication skill. Now we are talking about ChatGPT. So let me share something special to you to level up yourself. Maybe you talk every single day, right? Where ChatGPT is very handy. We should not wait for anyone. Anytime, anywhere, any moment. If we have 5 minutes, we can just open our ChatGPT and start talking. This is the very handy and affordable as well for everyone to learn. This is the advantage of this era. We are really blessed and we are fortunate enough getting such kind of atmosphere and getting such kind of tools to work upon ourselves. So let me share one beautiful thing, what you can exact talk and discuss with ChatGPT and what kind of things you should avoid. If you are beginner, then you should focus the basic things, because I have observed in myself as well sometimes while chasing new vocabulary, new sentence pattern, advanced thing, sometimes I feel stuck while expressing myself in a simple way. Whatever it in my surrounding, I feel I have to think twice. If you are beginner, then try to focus on yourself, try to express yourself, your introduction, how you do look like, what is your daily routine, and about your family members, about your surrounding, about your hobbies, any picture depiction, small topic discussion. These all things you can include if you are beginner, because once we start learning this language, we get fascinated with others if they are using advanced words, advanced vocabs, advanced sentence pattern. Then we also get fascinated listening them, right? And we try to avoid these basic things to pay attention. So therefore we struggle in future after having lots of advanced vocabulary, even though sometimes we get stuck because of we are not able to express ourselves in a basic manner. So this is also not good, right? We should have the strong foundation, we should have this strong command over this language from initial stage. So basic things is really mandatory to pay attention and focused on. So once you complete these all things, once you feel comfortable to express yourself, your surrounding, what you are doing, and simultaneously you can develop the habit of thinking as well. If you develop the habit of thinking, this process can literally help you to grow faster. And second, if you are intermediate, then you have to try to express yourself in a different topic, what you exact feel about. Don't try to listen others, try to feel what exact you think. If we talk about education system of India, right? What this is very vast topic to talk about. Whether you are happy, whether you are delighted, or you are disappointed, ask with yourself. Then try to express your own feelings rather than copying others' answer. It doesn't seem very genuine and very natural. So yeah, this is short a thought of mine for today. I hope you enjoyed and got something new out of this video. If you like this video even a little, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a great day ahead.